Hello children, now we have come to the past perfect continuous tense. Let's discuss what is past perfect continuous tense and where it is used. Past perfect continuous tense is used to express the action that started in the past and continued in the past for some time. It is also called past perfect progressive tense. Now बच्चे, in this tense, this tense is used to express the action that started in the past, action जो स्टार्ट कब हुआ, पास्ट में, एंड कंटिन्यूड इन द पास्ट फॉर सम टाइम, और वो पास्ट में ही कंटिन्यू रहा फॉर सम टाइम, मीन्स इट हैज़ नो रिलेशन विद द प्रेजेंट. It started in the past and it continued for some time in the past and then ended in the past. So this is past perfect continuous tense, and it is also called past perfect progressive tense. And the signal words for 2 hours, for 3 hours, all day, since morning, since evening, these are the words which are used for time reference. But for time reference we use for or since. Let's see few examples. He had been playing football for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहा था. The child had been studying since morning. बच्चा मॉर्निंग से पढ़ रहा था. She had been drafting the plan for a meeting for 2 hours. I had been playing my favorite game. They had been working in this office since last year. How do we use the past perfect continuous tense? The past perfect continuous tense is like the past perfect tense, but it expresses longer actions in the past before another action in the past. Now बच्चे, past perfect continuous tense is same like the past perfect tense, but in this tense 2 actions are explained, right? 2 actions that both happened in the past, before the one action, then after the other action, that also in the past. Let's see the example here. Ram started waiting at 9 a.m. I arrived at 11 a.m. Now Ram was waiting for me at 9 a.m. Okay, he started waiting for me at 9 a.m. I arrived at 11 a.m. मैं वहाँ कब पहुँची? 11 a.m. पे. When I arrived, Ram had been waiting for 2 hours. Means Ram, मेरे वहाँ पहुँचने से पहले ही राम मेरी वेट कर रहा था. So 2 actions are explained here. जब मैं वहाँ पहुँची, राम हैड बीन वेटिंग फॉर 2 hours. राम 2 घंटे से मेरी वेट कर रहा था. मैं पहुँची और राम वेट कर रहा था. So means मैं जब वहाँ पहुँची, so this both the actions indicate the past. Now let's have a look at the sentence structure of the positive sentences of past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus present participle means the base form of the verb plus ing plus object plus time reference. But as I told you earlier that we use time reference here in these sentences, and for time reference we use since or for. Now let's see the examples. She had been watching the movie for 2 hours. Now she here is the subject, had been is the auxiliary verb, watch is the first form of verb of watch, ing, the movie is the object, and for 2 hours is the time reference. But for 2 hours, this is indicating the time, 2 घंटे, right? For 2 hours. She had been studying in that university since 2008. Now here again, she is the subject, had been is the auxiliary verb, study is the first form of verb of study, then ing, in that university is the object, since 2008 is the time reference. They were playing football since 10 o'clock. Let's see the sentence structure of the negative sentences. Subject plus had not been, then present participle means the base form of the verb plus time reference. Let's see the examples. They had not been doing their work since 2003. They is the subject here, had not been. Doing do is the base form, then ing, their work is the object, and since 2003 is the time reference. He had not been eating vegetables for 3 hours. I hope this is clear to you. Then bache, here I want to tell you one thing here, that whenever we write not, we always write not after had not been. And if we use hadn't, they hadn't been doing, right? See the sentence structure of the interrogative sentences of past perfect continuous tense. Had plus subject plus been plus present participle, that is the base form of the verb, plus ing plus object and plus the time reference. Let's see the examples. Had they been working on their project since 2005? But as you know very well that whenever we write the interrogative sentences, the helping verbs come out. Had, they is the subject. We always write subject after the helping verb in the interrogative sentences. Had they been working, again present participle, on their project is the object, and since 2005 is the time reference. Then similarly in the next sentence, had she been waiting for her husband for 1 year? Had, again the helping verb, she, subject, been waiting for her husband for 1 year is the time reference. I hope all this past tense is clear to you. If you have any doubts, we will discuss.